Alright, as you see, the South Bend lathe here is missing something. And right here. The problem is the connectors for the bulbs, one burnt out. So I have new ones, I just gotta find them. But in the meantime, I picked this up at Harbor Freight. Shop light 5500 lumens. And as added bonus, you can link 8 of them together. See, on the end here, there's a spot where you can plug in another one. See right there, you can daisy chain it. I'm going to take this light, put it on this side, take this light because it'll be way more brighter, and put it on the South Bend lathe. Alright, let's get this apart and see what we got working with. Alright, we got the instructions here. Don't need that. Ooh, check that out. Way lighter than this one here. Okay, well, let me show you guys. See these hooks here? Now, that way they don't pop out. Take a pair of channel locks, pliers, whatever you got. And you peel over the small hook there. That way, see that? It ain't coming out. Doesn't say that in the instructions, but you know, what do you expect? So I'm putting the cord end this way. And like so. I'm putting this end on the hook. Alright, there we go. Now let's plug her on in and see what happens. Alright, here we go. Wow. Look at that. That is bright. Wow, I can actually see all the parts I've been machining wrong now. Now I see why. Wow, that really makes an improvement. That's nice. I like that. Wow, look how bright that is. I ain't even gotta turn that light on. Wow. That's nice. Alright guys, that's it. That's all for this episode. And what you guys will notice the next time when this light's on is this whole place will be changed. And I'm not going to say how, but it is going to be changed. So stay tuned for that episode. But until then, if you would please, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Alright, later.